TPC Pro-54HC Silver Series is a high-performance solar panel from TPC Solars, crafted for maximum efficiency and durability in solar energy applications. Product range 430 to 450 watts. Positive power tolerance. 0 to plus 5 watts maximum efficiency. 23.04%. TPC Solar's high-efficiency solar panels provide dependable power and enduring performance, making them ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. TPC Pro-54HC Silver Series is made of aluminum hollow chamber frame on each side with N-type Mono-Crystalline. Higher module conversion efficiency output up to 450 watts. TPC solar panels are engineered with high-quality materials, delivering outstanding performance and exceptional value at an affordable price. At TPC Solar, we provide high customer value, customer support, 30-year product warranty, products with complete certifications. TPC Solar is pleased to announce international shipping of our products, with a particular focus on the Middle East. TPC Solar is committed to providing reliable service and ensuring that our solar solutions reach clients efficiently. Visit us at tpcsolars.com.